Do you genuinely think this means anything? That people stare at the shape and somehow extract money from it? Then why not analyze the sky? The amount of context. Now I'll make one tiny tweak and the meaning changes completely. On the usual settings, green means the close finished above the open, red means below, that's it. No buyer count, no seller count, no volume. I don't do flat earth, tinfoil hats, or candle mysticism, so let's find out what candles actually record and why one alone tells you almost nothing. First, why are they called candlesticks? Because the body and wick look like a candle. The wax kind, not the pharmacy kind. That candle solves a very different problem. Rectangle is the body, the thin lines are wicks, also called shadows. Together they store 4 prices: open, high, low, and close. Those are the only price fields. But those prices belong to one chosen interval, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, whatever you selected before feeling confident. The first trade, we record the open price. The separate open sign means the interval is still running. As price moves, the candle stretches to update the current high and low. It may cross the body repeatedly, only the extremes survive. When the timer reaches 0, the final traded price becomes the close price. The interval is closed, the candle is finished. For 0, the body, color, and both wicks can still change. A live candle is not the result, it is a draft. Here's the same market on a 1-minute chart. Every minute gets its own open, high, low, and close. Switch to 1 hour, and 60 of those intervals collapse into one larger candle. The market did not change, you changed the size of the box. 1 hour candle is not smarter, it answers a broader question by deleting more detail. That box keeps 4 numbers and throws away almost everything between them. Most importantly, it deletes the order in which the prices happened. These 2 price paths share the same open, high, low, and close, so they produce the same finished candle. One was orderly, the other attacked both extremes before returning home. Same candle, radically different experience. So a candle is evidence of where price opened, reached, and finished, not a replay of how it traveled. And this is where context stops being decoration. Put this long lower wick candle after a decline, near a level buyers previously defended. Now it may suggest rejection of lower prices, suggest, not certify a reversal, and definitely not guarantee profit. Place the identical shape inside sideways noise, and it becomes one more shape in sideways noise. Put it after a strong rise, and traders may call the same geometry a hanging man. Those names describe a setup, they are not buttons marked buy and sell. The pixels did not change, the location changed the question. Before interpreting any candle, check trend, nearby levels, volatility, and the candles around it. Context is the missing sentence. Then add separate evidence. Volume, for example, is not hidden inside the candle body. These identical candles can print with very different volume underneath. High volume means more traded quantity, not automatic bullishness. And neither candle tells you how many buyers or sellers participated. Markets match both sides, they do not issue a head count. The colors are also just platform settings. Green and red are conventions, not physics. Make the candle purple, the open and close remain aggressively indifferent. What does matter? A large body means open and close finished far apart relative to that candle's range. A long wick means price reached farther than close back inside the range. It shows excursion, not motive. Tiny body means open and close were close, not that nothing happened between them. Read from facts outward, interval open, high, low, close, whether it is finished, location, then supporting data. So does it mean anything? Yes, 4 prices inside one interval. Without context, it is still our homunculus wearing trading software. Like, subscribe, and everything else YouTubers are always begging you to do. And of course, don't forget to share with a friend.